Hi, I'm Jamie Siminoff, inventor of the Ring Video Doorbell. Ring Video Doorbell lets you see and speak to visitors from anywhere using your smartphone. I just want to show you how quick and easy it is to install it. First, just go to the App Store, search for Ring, and download the app. Now that the app is installed, just open it, click on Set Up a Device, and Ring will walk you through the setup process. Now let's set up your Ring. You'll notice when you open the box that all the tools are included for installation. Just grab your Ring, and now pair it to the phone. So I'm going to call this one Front Door. It's going to show you which address you're at, hit Continue, and now just hit the orange button on the back of the Ring. You'll notice that the white lights start. That means it's in pairing mode. All you're going to do is put in your network address, your password, okay? And now the Ring is pairing to your network. Now that the Ring device is paired, let's grab the box with all the tools and head outside. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, take the included screwdriver and take off your existing doorbell. So now just detach the wires, and we're going to put those on the bracket. Now just take the included level, snap it on the bracket, put it on the wall, get it level, and start screwing it in. So once you finish screwing in the bracket and securing it on the wall, now it's time to install the wires. Just back off these screws, put the wire around it, screw it back on, and now you have power to the Ring. All to do is just pop the Ring on and put on the security screws using the security side of the screwdriver. And now your Ring is installed. With Ring, you're always home.